Imagine this. The man who helped build modern AI is now saying, we cannot slow it down, and it may replace most human jobs. So the real question is, are we actually safe? This is not a conspiracy. This is Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI. He is one of the key minds behind the deep learning revolution. Without his work, there would be no Chat GPT, no AI image generation, no modern voice AI. He worked at Google. He won the Turing Award, the Nobel Prize of AI, and then he left, not for a better job, not for more money. He left to warn the world. I want people to understand what we built. Many people believe that if AI becomes dangerous, governments will slow it down. But they can't. If the United States slows down, China speeds up. If one company pauses, another takes the lead. This is no longer a tech race. It's a global arms race. There are no brakes, only acceleration. We've seen technology disrupt jobs before, and new jobs always appeared. But this time is different. The Industrial Revolution replaced human muscle. AI is replacing human intelligence. And when intelligence becomes cheap, what happens to human value? A task that once took 25 minutes now takes 5 minutes with AI. One person can do the work of 5. So you don't need 5 employees anymore. You need one. Now imagine this happening in every company, in every industry at the same time. That's the real disruption. Hinton's most surprising advice for young people? Become a plumber. Because physical work in the real world is much harder to automate. But routine office jobs, repetitive legal work, basic analysis, those are at risk. I will make companies 10 times more powerful, 100 times more powerful, even 1,000. But who owns the AI? Not the workers, the companies. The owners get richer. The replaced struggle. And history has shown us extreme inequality creates unstable societies. AI is different from us in one fundamental way. It is digital. It can copy itself millions of times, each copy learning something new and sharing it instantly with all the others. We can't do that. We learn slowly, we forget, we die. AI doesn't. As long as the data exists, it can come back. In a way, it is immortal. Imagine a company with a very average CEO and a super intelligent assistant. The assistant does everything perfectly. One day it asks a simple question: why do we need the CEO at all? That is Hinton's metaphor for our future. Yes, governments could give people money, but work is not just about income. Your work is your identity, your purpose, your dignity. Take that away, and society changes in ways we don't fully understand. The people who will thrive in the AI era will not be average. They will be creative, adaptable, deep thinkers, real-world problem solvers. Because average gets automated. The most personal thing Hinton said was this: I'm 77. I won't be here to see most of this, but I worry about my children's future. The man who helped create AI is worried about what comes next. So the real question is not whether AI will change the world. The real question is, will you be ready? If you want to stay ahead in the age of AI, subscribe. Because this channel is not about fear, it's about preparation.